Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing our TREDZ, brand new product that we've had literally manufactured. As you can see, it's quite nice. It's very nice, in fact. So these are nice shiny black ones. And you may ask what they're for. Well, it's kind of in the name. So hopefully someone can right now put a picture in where someone's climbing all over a car here, maybe. But yeah, we're debating whether to do them in colour or not. So you can most definitely get them at the minute in unpainted. So these are unpainted. You can paint them yourself. You just need a little bit of prep. But yeah, you fit them on the car, and normally they're fine. We'll put a picture in here of what these look like on a car unpainted. Here's some prototypes that we made originally. There's a 3D model, 3D printed, which 3D printing nowadays is so awesome. You could rapid prototype stuff within hours instead of weeks. Very helpful. So yeah, stay tuned. Right, so everybody knows what these original blocks do. They're made out of cast aluminium, and they corrode horribly. So the amazing thing with these is they will never corrode because they're made out of fibre-reinforced polymer. So it's not going to react. You just put it on the car. If anything, you can take it off and fit to another car because it's not going to deteriorate after time. Yeah, they're just awesome. So you got to do this ever so carefully. You don't want to be damaging the paintwork. So the trick here is to leave them all a little bit loose. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video of us installing these TREDZ. Hopefully it's helpful. Any questions, queries, or not sure, please just give us a shout. If you want to purchase them, hop onto the website. We may even put a QR code here if you're quick enough to scan it. I'll wait. There you go. So yeah, have a look. And yeah, enjoy them. So look, say hi, Luke.